Hey everybody, it's Missy with Jake and Me Van Life. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to join us today. Jake is my cat, and he is somewhere around here on his leash. I don't know where he went. He's probably always under my friend Teresa's van. So, this is what I'm doing today. It's Sunday. What are you guys doing today? Wait till I show you what I have to do today. You can feel sorry for me, but I think the end result's going to be great. I just hate putting stuff together. All right, so I'm going to show you something. Let's see if you can figure out what that was from, what I'm doing. I took something apart this morning, and it's a pain in the butt. Do you remember that cabinet that I had inside my sliding door? I even did a video on it, falling apart and being held together by tape. Because while I was driving, it just had enough of driving, I guess, and it fell apart. Well, that's where it was, right there inside the door. Now it's there. Everybody say goodbye. Goodbye. So what am I going to do? Well, I went to my daughter's because Amazon delivered my new cabinet. And I'm going to tell you right now, this new cabinet box is twice as big as the cabinet box that I had for that one. But this one has drawers. I'm very excited about having drawers. There's no countertop to it because I'm using the same countertop I had from before, but I need to refinish it. So there's my new cabinet, and I'll show you when I'm done what it looks like. Oh, well, first step is open the box. Oh God, my knees are killing me. Yeah, you just laugh away. Yeah. That's true. That's a very good point. Do they not know what I can't not do? Oh my gosh. Oh, please. Well, we know there's at least 31 parts because that's part number 31. Great. Lovely. Well, it just must be so tough having a sink and faucet and bathroom and water heater and furnace. Oh goodness, this is so much fun. You know, when I bought this, I didn't think about how many more parts it was going to have and putting drawers together. Teresa, you see what this says? Do you see how big this box is? Just saying. Well, that's cool.
Including tax.
For the Apple earbud?
For the one Apple earbud.
Oh, okay.
To replace it.
But that's
But it was on, but the whole 2 earbuds with the case was like $169 just a few days before that. And it's like, So for an extra $50, I could have gotten a whole new thing
set,
and
yeah.
had a spare.
Man, that stinks.
But
You know
I
what?
missed it. But I
Now,
missed
your
it.
earbuds are Apple, right?
Yes.
So, and they're the ones that have the hearing aid feature.
Yes.
Okay. See,
Yeah, that's why I wanted to
understand them
replace
costing
it.
a couple hundred, you know,
Yeah.
with that.
Yeah.
But even the basic Apple earbuds,
Yeah, they're like $100 for the most basic ones.
aren't they more than that?
No, they have different versions now. So I
okay.
think the cheapest is $100. Maybe less if you catch them on sale.
I don't
don't
need
know.
anything fancy, but just I like noise canceling and good sound.
Oh, the noise cancellation on the Apple AirPods is amazing. I also like to say you got it.
Oh, you got a nice bag with yours too. Put it over there in the shade.
Oh yeah, thank you.
All
Okay.
right, where are we at now? Did you look at the
This end
instructions
goes
away?
over there. Okay. So
Where's the lip go?
this goes this way.
Okay. Oh yeah, the lip's over there.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta pull it out and look. This is the one I have problems with right here. Always. I can tell by looking at the way it just stops right there. I gotta get this one out because I can't. Well, I got it out. Oh, there's two. Hang on.
Yep.
Well, I know.
Oh no, it's
I
not.
gotta
It's
see
not.
it.
It's in the hole.
Oh my God. I gotta see the screw so I can know where to put the cam, where the hole's at.
Okay, but
You know
yeah,
what I'm saying?
yeah, we were saying the same thing in different ways. It's in the hole. It's just not all the way down in the hole.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I gotta know where.
Move your hand. Yeah. Am I in the right spot?
If it's in the hole, but it can't be in the hole. Stop. It can't be in the hole because the hole's over there, and the looks like this. The hole's here. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
I see it. Yeah. Okay.
The hole is here,
Uh-huh.
and the pin's over here.
I can't see what you're talking about
It's
at all.
like
Go
the
look
pin
from
is
the other
going in
side
the
and
wrong
see what
hole
you're
or
looking.
something. No, I can see it right there. The pin is closer to where your thumb's at. I hope it's not under the table. It's not up here.
Well, heck. I don't think it's under the table. You go check, just in case.
Okay, you guys, I'm sorry I'm wearing this dorky, nerdy hat, but I keep going in and out of the sun, and it keeps my face so shaded. Looking at, there's something wrong. We got to figure out.
But it's in. But it's in there. But it's in.
It's in there,
It's
but
in
it's
there.
not going. We won't be able to.
It's
We'll
it's
just
my
break it.
masculine energy. It's in place
It's
now.
got to be. You got
It's
too
in
much
place now.
testosterone.
There you go.
Only us could do that.
So this
Perfect.
might have been the hard part, except for the fact that I still have no freaking idea whether or not we got the rails correct.
I think we do.
Hand me the stubby one though.
Well, Jake's whining here. Jake, throw it down.
Like some treats.
Good boy. Did you give him a
boy.
treat for me? Good boy.
How did I do that?
Because we're tired and hurting. Make sure that's lined up. Oh, I gotta sit. I'm gonna have to put some CBD on my neck. It's just killing me.
Yep. Oh, ow, ow, ow.
Could I have an ibuprofen when you're done?
You bet.
Try to get some inflammation down. Ow.
Hey, do you want cherry cheesecake or key lime pie?
None, but thank you.
Yogurt?
No, thank you.
You don't eat dairy?
It upsets my stomach. Like the
Okay.
frappe, that's why I only drank half the frappe and the other half tonight.
Oh,
if
I
I
see.
drank that whole one at once, I'd be bloated and gassy.
Oh,
and
that's too bad.
I know, it only happened when I hit 60.
Oh man, that's too bad.
I never had a
I
problem.
looked at my checkout yesterday when I was checking out. There's 2 ibuprofen, 1 Tylenol. What would you like?
Oh, thank you. Ibuprofen.
the
Do I
red
take
ones.
Do you take the 2?
I take 2. Okay, I
Yeah,
usually
you take
take 2.
it. I just
Okay.
need 1. Thank you, though.
You're welcome.
And that was $30.
What is the Sand Fest?
Oh, you got to watch the video.
Oh, okay. I
have
didn't
a
know you
video
had one
on
of
it,
those.
yeah.
Okay,
It's
awesome.
Texas 2025 Sand Fest. They do it every
Okay.
year, and I got to go this year with the girls.
Awesome.
It was amazing. It's where where artists create works of art from the sand, the beach sand, and they do it on the beach.
That's fantastic.
It was so amazing. It's a 3-day event. So the first day you go out and all you see is mounds of sand. I also learned how they make these incredible works of art.
Yeah.
They use water to pat and all, but in that water is glue. That's how they do it. And they're all given, there's rules, they're all given, oh God, this big old, I'd say from that tree to here, think of it squared, full of sand, beach sand, right off the beach for them. They all have the same amount, they weigh it and everything, and it's what you can do with that. And these works of art, wait till you see the video. They're incredible. They're breathtaking. Some of them are breathtaking, and then they do awards on Sunday, the last day. It was
What fun.
It was a lot of fun, and there was 5 of us that went, and it was so much fun. What was I looking for?
I mean, and that's got to be such a fun hobby too.
Yeah.
When you think
these
about it.
people have been doing it for decades.
Yeah.
Some of them are younger people in their late 20s, early 30s. And they even have a kids division. And that was cute as can be. And then they have this kids section.
Well, think about all the time you're rehearsing for it.
Right.
You know, you get out in the sun, you build sandcastles, you teach the kids.
Yeah, they have a whole kids section in a fenced-in area where they have all these tools for them to learn and play with, and buckets, and they got their own sand boxes to dig sand out. And they have teachers that go in then and help and show them that are part of the volunteers.
It's the getting up part.
It is. It's the bending the knees.
It's the getting and the getting up and the getting down. And
yes, ma'am.
Said you needed space. Said you needed more time to think. So you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door. Even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out.
Jake, you're such a good boy, baby. And the door's pretty too. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking pieces and I'm fixing them or fitting them where they color coordinate and grain coordinate properly. And then I also have the cabinet maker. She told me to use Gorilla Construction Glue adhesive. It's maximum strength and clear. And she said just dot it, throughout the panel, the piece that you're putting on. Hold it in place. It's supposed to dry within 30 minutes. So I have this one panel stuck up here. So now I'm trying to fit the rest of the panels to it. So stay tuned. I'll be back and I'll show you where